Today we are going to discuss some important topic that is previous years board important questions of determinant. So we are going to solve some examples and some the questions those are comes in previous years in board classes. So today's session is going to be very interesting because today we are going to discuss about all the things those are all the questions those are comes in previous years. So today's video is going to be very interesting because today's not only for interesting but also it is very important because today we are going to discuss some very important tools, some important questions, some important problems. How can we solve these questions and how can we perform on these questions? Let's see. So these questions are very important regarding board classes. So always careful that when you are going to solve these questions, you have to note in your notebook also. Okay, so let's start. What is the first question? Your first question is this comes in 2016. What is the question? Prove that. Question is prove that. What we have to prove? We have to prove a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, it is a b plus c, it is a c plus a, and it is a plus b, and we have to prove it is a plus b plus c, and next one is a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. So it is a question and we have to solve this question. Okay, so this is a question and how can we solve? We are going to solve its LHS part. So how can we solve LHS part of this question? You have to think what operation we may apply. This is a square b plus c, b square c plus a, c square a plus b. There is no benefit if we are just going to operate in rows. So I think we have to use columns. So what may be done? I am thinking that first I have to write the solution. So I am write the again question. It is a, b, c, a square, b square, c square. It is a b plus c, plus a. It is a plus b. Okay. Now when we are saying about it, we can say that it is apply. What we can apply? I am going to apply C1 tends to C1 plus C3. What is the benefit of this? Benefit of this, it is a plus b plus c. At here it is also same, that is it is a plus b plus c. This and this add, so it is also a plus b plus c. This and this add, it is also a plus b plus c. So it is a square, it is a b square, it is a c square, it is a b plus c, it is a c plus a plus b is required. Okay, now you may look that a plus b plus c is the common part of this. So I am going to take the common abc from here. So it is a 1 1 1. It is a square, b square, c square, it is a b plus c, it is c plus a, and it is a plus b. Okay. Now what we can do now? We have to think that when we are saying about the 1 1 1, we are going to subtract this minus this and this minus this. So what operation we can apply now? I am going to apply it here. It is a R1 tends to R1 minus R2 and R2 tends to it is R2 minus R3 students. So what is the next step of this question? It is a plus b plus c. It is 0. A square minus b square. It is a b plus c and c minus a. C is considered by c, so it is b minus a. Look at here, it is b plus c minus a. So c is considered by c, it is a b minus a. Now what is the step here? It is a 0. It here b square minus c square. and it is A is cancelled by A, so it is C minus B. And last one is same, that is A plus B. Okay. Now we are going to operate. It is A plus B plus C. It is 0, 0, 1. It is A plus B, and it is A minus B. It is a B minus A. I am going to take minus common, so we can write here A minus B. Okay. Here it is 0. It is a B plus C, and B minus C. It is a minus B minus C. Here it is 1. It is a C square, and it is A plus B. That is the same. Okay, students, we have completed a lot of part of this question, maximum part of this question. So what can we do now? A plus B plus C is the common, so remaining part is the A minus B, and B minus C is also common. A minus B is from here, this line, and B minus C from this line. So we can say that it is 0. A plus B, it is minus 1, it is 0. It is a B plus C, and it is minus 1, it is 1, it is C square. This is the A plus B. Okay. Now what can we do? Two zeros are here, so we are going to operate with this. So this and this is eliminated, so remaining part is it is A plus B plus C, and it is A minus B, it is a B minus C, and it is minus is the minus A minus B, and it is plus B plus C. Okay, so B is cancelled by B, so remaining part is the A plus B plus C. It is A minus B, it is a B minus C, and it is C minus C. So it is RHS. Hence, prove. So students, we have completed this question. This comes in 2016. It is very important question regarding board classes, because these questions comes in board. It comes in 2015. You may see that every year it is gives the question to board. Prove that it is a plus B plus 2C. It is a C, A, B plus C plus 2A. It is a A. It is a B, C plus A plus 2B equal to A plus B plus C whole cube. 2A plus B plus C whole cube. It is a question. Okay, so it is A plus B plus 2C. It is A, C, C, C. It is A, B plus C plus twice of A. It is A, and B, B, C plus A plus 2B. It is very important question regarding board classes. So how can we solve this question? So watch this video till end to understand better. Okay, so okay, so we are going to solve this question. So firstly, I write here it is a solution area. So how can we solve? I write again the question. It is A plus B plus twice of C. It is C. It is A. B plus C plus twice of A. It is A. B, C plus A plus twice of B. Okay, so students, we have written the question again. Now I am thinking that am I add this, then this. If I add this, so there is the 4C. A plus B plus 4C. What about here? It is a B plus C plus 4A. Here it is a C plus A plus 4B. So it is not useful. Something should be same. If I am going to add the operation, so something should be indicate that we are taking some common. Okay, so we have to think that what we have to take the common, and how can we add that both are same. So I am going to operate in row. So apply R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. What gonna happen? If I operate, it is twice A plus B plus C. How can we say a plus a to a, b to b, and twice of c? So we can say that 2 is the common, so remaining part is the 2a plus b plus c. What about here? It is the same. It is a 2a plus b plus c. It is also same. It is a 2a plus b plus c. Okay. Now other parts. What about it? It is the same. B plus c plus twice of a. It is a, it is a b, it is a b, and it is c plus a plus twice of b. What gonna happen now, students? There is something common, so we are going to take some common from this part. So I am going to take 2a plus b plus c is the common. 2a plus b plus c is the common, so remaining part is the 1, 1, 1. It is a b plus c plus twice of a. It is a, it's a b, it is a c plus a plus twice of b. Okay. Now there is 1, 1, 1, so we are going to subtract this minus this, so we can say that it is going to apply c1 tends to c1 minus c2 and c2 tends to c2 minus c3. So what is the next operation we have written? It is a 2a plus b plus c is the common. So what about the remaining? It is a 0. Look at here, it is a 0, 1 minus 1, 0. It is a minus b minus c minus 2a. A minus 2a means a. It means it is minus a plus b plus c. Okay, it is clear. A minus b minus c minus 2a. So a minus 2a, it is a minus b minus c. So we can say that minus a plus b plus c. What about here? It is a 0. Okay, at here it is 0. C2 minus c2, c2 minus c3, it is 0. It is b plus c plus 2a minus a, so it is b plus c plus a. It is a plus b plus c. What about here? It is a b minus c minus a minus 2b, so we can say that it is minus a minus b minus c. So it is minus a plus b plus c. Third one is the same. We are not going to operate any operation at here, so it is c plus a plus b. Okay. It is 2b, students. Okay. Now is anything common? It is common. So it is common from here and here also. So we can say that it is a plus b plus c whole cube, and it is 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1. It is a 1 a c plus a plus twice of b. Okay, your answer is a 2a plus b plus c whole cube. It is completed, but we are going to find the value from there. So how can we solve? I am going to operate this, so this line and this line is removed. So what is the 2a plus b plus c whole power? It means it is 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. So we can say that it is 2a plus b plus c whole cube is completed. So your answer is, this is the RHS part of this, so we can say that it is your answer. So LHS is equal to RHS. So students, we have completed this discussion. Now we are going to solve next question. What is the next question? So next question is also very important, because this was comes in 2014. But it is very important, students question. This question is very important. That is next question which is coming. Maybe you may feel something hard. This is not hard, but you may feel like a hard question. Okay, so we are going to solve. Okay, so what is the next part of this? Next question is also very important, that is it is proved that what we have to prove, 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c and a equal to abc. It is a 1 plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. It is completed and it is abc equal to abc plus ab plus bc plus ca. So either this and this may be your answer, both are your answer. So abc bc plus ca plus ab. Now what operation we have to apply and how can we solve this question? So we have to think about this. These questions are comes in board classes in previous year 2014. So this is very important question, and it seems also very important because there is something in frictions also. So this is this made this question different than others. Okay, so this is a different question than other questions. So how can we solve this question? Look at here. Okay, question is 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c. This is a question. Now I am just watching here. This is a 1 upon a 1 upon b 1 upon c. How can we take it? Create a problem first. So I am going to take common from this. So if I take common abc, so what happened here? I taking common from here, so it is 1 upon a plus 1. It is 1 upon a. It is a 1 upon a. It is 1 upon b. B from here, 1 upon b plus 1. It is a 1 upon b. It is 1 upon c. 1 upon c. 1 upon c plus 1. So students, we can say that it is abc is the common, and I am going to operate in this. So what can I apply? I apply, I am going to add r1 tends to r1 plus r2 plus r3. What happened here? It is 1 plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. At here it is 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. Add them and add them also. 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c plus 1. Other elements are same, that is 1 upon b plus 1 upon b. It is 1 upon c. It is 1 upon c. It is 1 upon c plus 1. Okay, so there is something, these elements are same. So we can say that we can take the common from here. So it is abc 1 plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c is the common. What is the remaining? Remaining part is the 1 1 1. So we can say that it is 1 1 1 and it is 1 upon b. It is 1 upon b plus 1. 1 upon b plus 1. It is 1 upon b. It is 1 upon c. And it is 1 upon c, and it is 1 upon c plus 1. Now what operation we can apply here? Just think about it. What operation we can apply? This is the a, b, c, and 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. So we can apply the operation that is simple, because there is a 1 1 1. So we have to subtract this minus this. So I am going to apply c1 tends to c1 minus c2 and c2 tends to c2 minus c3. what happened, let's see. It is a B C, it is a 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon 1 upon B plus 1 upon 1 upon C, and at here it is 0, 1 upon B minus this, so we can say C2 minus C3. So 1 upon B minus 1 upon B, it is 0 and it is minus 1. It is a 1 upon C minus, it is 0. What about here? It is 0. It is a 1 upon B and it is minus 1. And it is same 1 upon B, 1 upon C plus 1. Students, what happened? I am going to open with respect to this. So this and this is eliminated. So remaining part is a 1 minus 0. So it is a A, B, C, and it is 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon 1 upon B plus 1 upon 1 upon C. And it is 1 minus 0. So we can say that it is 1. Now what gonna happen? This is the RHS. Okay. Now again, ABC is the common. ABC is the common. Just multiply them. Again, just multiply. So after it, it is a ABC. It is a ABC. ABC multiply the ABC by all the elements. So it is ABC upon A. It is a ABC upon B. It is a ABC upon C. So we can say that it is ABC. It is a BC. It is a AC. It is a AB. So it is also your RHS. So we have completed this question. This is a very important question regarding board classes. It was comes in 2014.